Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Realize the potency of the God of Light, the God of Sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Heroism is beyond personal pleasure or gain in its motivations. Those who are attached to divinity don't face total defeat. We can take back consciousness issues and intend better for the future. Focus on perfecting leads to deeper spiritual remembrance. The most valid reason for divorce is the slipping in religious duty. The taking off different roles in drama is not personal against the others in the ritual play. Greater beauty is to share spiritual messages regardless of worldly or conservative opinions. And of course, that is greater than the mere physical beauty. True mystics are not satisfied with experiences and keep worshiping. Divinity addresses each on an individual level. We should not even fantasize about living the lifestyles of the rulers. Offerings are incomplete without spiritual formulas. Even of the worst can switch to being who is known and favored by devotees. Divinity is known by the modes and elements, but the divine names are not the essence. Other beings can be pleased at the same time of the worshiping of divinity. Mere animal killing is not allowed, and it is not just to eat it, too. There are those in government positions who are not authentic rulers. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Green, black, purple. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari.